New research from Carnegie's Julia Pongratz and King Caldeira shows that carbon dioxide contributions from the pre-industrial era still have an impact on our climate today. The burning of fossil fuels that came with industrialization released massive amounts of carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere, which has contributed to global warming. Emissions from North America, Europe, and the former Soviet Union have caused more than half of all global warming. Calculations of contributions to global warming generally go back no further than the year 1840. But clearing forest and other wild areas for agricultural purposes also contribute to atmospheric carbon dioxide, and that has been happening since before industrialization. When land is cleared for farming, burning immediately releases some carbon, while the rest, including from roots and wood products, may be emitted into the atmosphere for centuries. These relatively small amounts of carbon dioxide continue to affect atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrations and our climate today, but only to a relatively small extent. In China and India, substantial deforestation accompanied half of the world's five-fold population increase between 800 and 1850. Using advanced models, Pongratz and Caldeira determined that, for example, accounting for pre-industrial emissions shifts the amount of total global warming attributed to emissions from South Asia, a region that includes India, from 5.1% to 7%. This is an increase of 37% in the amount previously attributed to this region. The researchers note that their work is not intended to increase the blame on people living in the developing world today, but only to determine the numbers that go into accounting for global warming. Broader questions of who is responsible for what and who owes what to whom are judgments that lie outside the scope of science. The work was published in Environmental Research Letters. The Carnegie Institution has had over 110 years of extraordinary discoveries. To continue this tradition, Carnegie scientists need your support. For more information about this and other cool science, visit our website at carnegiescience.edu. This is John Strom.